Hello, everybody.
What's up?
We are out on a date.
Date night spotlight.
Baby,
be good. Baby, be good. You know it's just so unexpected.
In a very rainy day, which is perfect
Because it makes it look like it's nighttime, even though it's not.
No, because this little 3-part date in the middle of the day that I have planned is a date in 3 parts on a lazy Saturday afternoon where we're only handling business like when business comes up. And we are going to eat some things, we are going to drink some things, and then we are going to go home with our free Sunday and
It's not Sunday.
Saturday and
Take a nap.
we're going to take a nap at the end of our date. We're going to go cuddle up, and it's raining like the Lord hath provided us a rain drizzled. We're going to go into, we have to head in now because we have reservations right now for, we're going into My Sweet Art, which is the name of a French pastry shop, lunch and pastry shop in Cape Coral, Florida. And then we're gonna go over to the Wicked Dolphin and take a tour of their rum distillery. And then we're going home to sleep it all off and cuddle up together. And it sounds like the perfect rainy, drizzly Saturday date. What do you think, Jerry?
Sounds good to me.
Let's go eat. We're starving. So
Yes.
we're gonna make this quick. We'll take photos and videos along the way. So welcome, let's go.
Baby, be good. Baby, be good. You know it's just so unexpected.
Hey,
What's up?
it is date night, baby. No, it's date day. It's day
day
after
after.
date. Days after date. Yes, let's talk about our date. It was fantastic. Let me tell you, as somebody who the last date that we went on, the last date that I reviewed with Jerry was like zen, eat vegan food, and then like try and relax in meditation in a quiet room. So
This one was a little more
this
fun.
one we ate French
More her
pastries
speed.
and cheese and drank rum. So like, yay, it was a fantastic day. Tell me about it. Where did we go? We went to 2 places, both in Cape Coral, Florida, and in walking distance from each other.
Yes.
So feel free to imbibe at the Wicked Dolphin and then go walk about, I don't know, it was like 7/10 of a mile, about 10-minute
Not
walk.
that far.
No, it's
Isn't
like
it?
right
It's
across the street. So
It's
you can
probably
drink.
like a quarter. It's probably less than a half mile.
So
I would
you
say.
can go and do the
wine tour or
the rum
tour.
distillery tour at Wicked Dolphin in Cape Coral, and then walk across the street, have a date lunch at My Sweet Art, which is the name of a French pastry shop, and they do breakfast, lunch, and pastries there. And we're gonna tell you all about it. And fantastic, great way to spend an afternoon.
Yes. It was
Awesome.
excellent.
So what do you want to talk about first? Do you want to go over the French pastry shop, or do you want to go over Wicked Dolphin?
Let's do Wicked Dolphin first.
Okay, so I came about Wicked Dolphin as a result of myself and Jerryniesman being very frugal I'm sure that if you've been on Groupon in the Fort Myers area, Fort Myers, Cape Coral area, you've seen it on there too. Guess how much I paid for Wicked Dolphin for us to go?
No idea.
$10.
Each?
No, for 2 people, I think. It was
Wow.
like $10 for the 2
For
of
a
us.
Distillery tour and
Free
tasting.
samples and taste tests, and they gave us, maybe it was,
No, it had to have been per person. Because they gave us credit.
they gave us credit
$25
towards shopping, $20 credit or something for shopping. It was ridiculously inexpensive. I will check it and like insert like the exact amount.
So
later.
basically, we got
It
the
was cheap.
tour and the
Free
rum
samples.
for free.
Yes, they gave us
And
a
you
drink.
got $20 to spend in the shop. So basically, that's what you paid for.
It was amazing.
And
yes.
Even though the fine print says not allowed to be used on alcohol, they allowed us to use it on alcohol.
It was amazing. They
So
were
we bought-
fantastic there. So you show up at Wicked Dolphin at the time that it starts. Don't be late like we were. We were like 2 minutes late for it. They start
Because
right
they
on the
start-
hour.
They start on the time that it says they're
It's
starting.
not a
There's
private
no, like,
tour.
5-minute
It's like
waiting.
a group tour. So there were people there with us doing the tour, and they bring you in. They give you a welcome like rum drink that you could sip while you tour the little distillery. They show you all about how they make rum at Wicked Dolphin and who they sell it to and where you can buy it and how like all the history of the ingredients. It's amazing. It's this teeny tiny little small business in Cape Coral, Florida that I had no idea existed.
And yeah, so they use as much local ingredients as possible. They've got all kinds
Delicious.
of flavored rums. They've got
They do make a vodka,
They
flavored rums,
do make a vodka,
coffee beans. They
just
do all
kinds
sorts
cool
of stuff. And so definitely go to Groupon, get a tour, go on in, walk around, sample some rum.
And it's excellent.
Oh, it's delicious. What were your favorite flavors of rum?
The vanilla
Vanilla was delicious.
and the coffee.
Yes, we brought home vanilla coffee and mango. And, but they were all really good. They were all delicious. I really like the, what was it, coconut?
You liked the key lime.
I did like the key lime. The key lime was really tasty. So, yeah, so Wicked Dolphin really put on, it was a nice, quick, it was like 1 hour. I was very entertained. I laughed, I cheered, I applauded, and I drank alcohol, and then went and had some French food, which, let's talk about my sweet art in Cape Coral. So, it's a little kind of hole in the wall that has, 6 tables at. It's
Maybe a few
small.
more, but
yeah, it's
very small little,
intimate.
like cafe.
It feels like a little Parisian cafe. It feels like this tiny romantic place. They had roses, red roses on the table, and we got the most delicious food. We split an appetizer, which was their cheese plate, and 2 entrees. We got a sandwich and like a
French
stuffed
toast.
French toast.
Gourmet
like
French toast.
gourmet, like strawberries and chocolate and
It's
all
called the
sorts
French
of.
toast gourmand.
Oh, very nice. Look at you go, remembering things. He may know because we've gone back since this date and gotten it again because it was so delicious. And so check the hours on My Sweet Art because it is a small, like you could tell, like the owners there, the one cooking it.
The owners are the chefs.
Yeah, they have different times. It's not like a chain restaurant where they're open all day, every day. And so check on there. They also, we're going back to My Sweet Art. They do cooking classes. We're going to go take a strawberry tart class where they teach you how to make something together and then they feed you French food afterwards. And that, yeah, I'm really
Yeah, so it's
excited
a
for that.
Class and then dinner. And they do them, twice a week?
No, I think it's once a week. I think
Once
it's
a week?
once a week. On the weekends, they offer different
Had
classes.
one weeknight and one weekend.
I don't think so.
I don't know. Check their
I think
website.
you're
They've
wrong.
got the whole schedule on the website. They do like special dinners. They do the classes, and what else do they? There was something else that they did. I don't know. Check it out on the website. They've got all that info on there, and it is fantastic.
Fantastic. We brought home for the kids half of our cheese plate and pastries, 2 croissants, and a bag of meringues and an entire baguette to go with their cheese plate, and still spent less than we did at like the previous week for our 2 vegan entrees. I mean, I don't know, but there's a lot of butter. Butter's expensive. I don't know how they did it. It was very affordable. And so yeah, let's get down to rating this date. What do you want to do first? Fun, romance, or money?
Let's start with fun since it's here.
All right.
Where are you at?
I'm
sure it's gonna be
here. You pick.
I'd go
5 out of 5. Five smiley faces. Stars, 5 stars. No, 5 smiley faces. It was super fun, you guys. We had such a great time. It was a fun afternoon date. There were other people around at the Wicked Dolphin, so it was fun to like hang out in a group, and you're choosing and drinking rum and sampling different things, and families are taking pictures, and so it was fun. And then we also had we are not going to romance, we're going to money. But on the romantic side, then we were able to go have lunch together where it was just the 2 of us and have like a nice, like cuddled up in a Parisian cafe and have like a laughing good time, just the 2 of us.
Yep.
So, all right, let's talk money.
So,
I think it's $2 signs. I think overall we spent about $100. But that is the 2 of us to take a tour, to get a rum punch, and sample all the rum that we wanted in the world. So entertainment, we brought home 3 bottles of liquor.
Yep.
We went to the pastry shop. We ate our entire meal and brought home enough leftovers to feed our children afterwards. An entire meal and then breakfast the next day. I mean, it was so affordable. It was really incredible. We had leftovers. It was a great value, great bang for buck. If you took out our liquor and leftover food and just what we ate while we were there, we'd be around 50 to $60. Yeah, it was awesome. So super good price. What about romance?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Probably 3.
Yeah, we'll go 3 out of 5. Yep. Yes, 3 out of 5. It was nice to cuddle up in a tiny little Parisian cafe table. It's always fun hanging out and doing fun things. And yeah, what else you got? Anything else?
We got to do the overall ratings.
Score? I highly recommend you guys go out and do this. It was a fun afternoon. Probably start to finish, you're talking 3 hours. So it's the perfect like Saturday from 11 to 2 if you're going to get a babysitter or something, and let the grandparents watch the kids and go out for a fun afternoon.
Yeah, the one thing I would say is, give yourself extra time, just because the French restaurant, like, they cook everything from scratch.
Right.
It's all made right there after you order it, so it takes a little while, and they only run like 1 or 2 people in the kitchen.
Oh.
So it does take them time to prepare the food, so you'll be there for a little bit.
Also, before you write your overall score, I want to add, because I think it's in our videos, we took a nap afterwards and factor that into our date. I feel like, okay, so we went and we had some rum samples, and then we walked it off, went to lunch, had a nice lunch, walked back to our car, drove home, and we took a nap because it's like middle of the day. It's a lunch activity. It's not like it's a dinner date late at night.
Well, and after you drink,
in the hot Florida sun and eat a bunch of French food,
nap, right?
We went back and like had arranged it perfectly to like on a rainy 4 p.m. on a Saturday be able to like snooze it up and cuddle together. Highly recommend the like bonus like nap time when you get home. So that's it. All right, what you got? Three, 2, 1. Woo! So cute, adorable,
Close.
Very, very close. I had a great time.
Yes.
I love you. Where else are we going? What else are we doing?
I don't know.
We're doing a bunch of
You
things.
plan that stuff.
Yes, indeed. Follow us. I know we got to still get back to the Retro Zone somewhere sometime soon here in Fort Myers.
Yeah.
We're going to go play some vintage arcade games. Check out our other date night videos if you want to see other cool places around Southwest Florida. Hit us up in the comments, like, comment, subscribe, and hit us up in the comments if there's somewhere in town that you want us to go visit. As always, this video is sponsored by us, by the Niesman team. Whether or not
At
we
Keller
are
Williams
dating,
Realty.
yes, whether or
You
not
gotta
we're
say that.
dating, oh yes, Whether or not we're dating or working together on a real estate team, if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate in Southwest Florida and want to work with us, shoot us a message. All of our details are below. Thank you so much for joining. We love you. We love Southwest Florida, and we love each other. Thank you, guys.